Mata ni gua. Cok. Mata ni gua, Pak.
What's up, guys? In the morning, so we are here in Qatar. So right now, the middle order batsman, Mr. Asif Chaudhary, and bowler, Mr. Nishad. What a ball, Mr. Nishad. Ball করে দিলেন and sorry, এটা তো ইংলিশ কমেন্ট ছিল, ইংলিশ কমেন্টারি ছিল. The ball is full delivery, but Asif not see the ball. Right now, what a reverse sweep, man! What a reverse sweep! And finally, your performance is good.
Yes, I am too much hot weather. My performance is very good. I will reverse sweep 1-4 and
Yes.
one ball, and I will win.
Yes.
And Nishad is a low player. Is a
Okay. Thank you very much.